Hey guys, today we're going to be installing some LED bulbs on this 91 CRX on the bumper light turn signals. This is the LED bulb that I'm currently using. We bought this on Amazon, so you can get this on Amazon, and pretty much just trying to go lighter on this turn signals. Now if you do not want your light to hyper flash, you do need to buy an optional resistor, which is this one here. It's 50 watts. I don't know if you can see that, but this is pretty much plug and play, and I got this also on Amazon. So this will be all plug and play, easy, so you can have regular setting, no hyper flashing on this bumper turn signal. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take off the screw on the right hand side. There is a little arrow pointing to the right. That's the one we want to go ahead and take off first. Do not take off the other one on the left. And I was already halfway done, so it's already out. And then you're just going to stick your hand here, put some pressure, and pop it out. Like so. And now we're going to go ahead and unscrew, pop out, place your housing on the bottom, and then now we're just going to go ahead and take out this bulb, like so. So when installing the resistor, make sure you do install this resistor on something that's metal plated. Don't put it on anything that's plastic or close to plastic, because it gets super hot. And sorry about my cat, stray cat, but yeah, he's here. Anyways, there is 2 holes on the bumper support metal bracket, and you can pretty much install that right in there. I don't know if you can see them, it's kind of dark, but it will be perfect fit. Otherwise, if you don't want to, then just leave it hanging. I don't know if you guys can see, but right in here is the screw, and behind is the resistor. So now all we gotta do is screw it in. By the way, the screw is a little bit, just find a screw that's a little bit bigger, so that way it can fit snug in there, and just tighten it up so that way it's nice and snug. And that's pretty much how it's gonna look. And so now we're gonna go ahead and plug in the other one. So that one's connected. And now we're going to use the one from the resistor plug and play. We're going to go ahead and connect that one in there. And so now, there you go. It's not hyper flashing. And that's only preference. I mean, I think this just looks cleaner stock, but if hyper flashing is your thing, you don't want to spend the additional money on the resistor, then get the resistor. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in to the pigtail that has no resistor, which will give us hyper flashing. If you don't know what that is, you will see now. So there you go. Pretty much it's going like super fast to the speed of light. If you want that, if that's your thing, then you do not need a resistor. So pretty much now what we want to do is go ahead and hide the pigtail towards the back. And the one with the LED bulb, we are going to install it back into the housing. We're just going to make sure everything aligns up, and then we turn it. And then to put this back on, just make sure you do this side first in, and then this part, and then you push it in. Then we're going to go ahead and put our screw. Make sure you screw that back in there. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you how this will look right now during the daylight. Probably can't tell as good, but we'll still turn it on for you just so you can see. And there you go. So that is how the LED light will look installed. So here we have the LED on the right hand side and the regular standard bulb on the left hand side, and as you can see, the LED bulb is clearly much more brighter, as well as it illuminates the floor a whole lot more better than the left hand side. So totally recommend going with the LEDs if you're looking for something more brighter and more vibrant.